Aloha and welcome back to my channel. This is Tioni from Hawaiian Keto Girl. Let's review this brownie. Okay guys, here is another keto product review. So my husband loves brownies, so here we go with another brownie. This one is from Costco's, and I believe this box was $9. It has it's a 3-pack, and it comes with 3 little packs like this. Let me go over the ingredients with you. I have higher hopes for this this brand because erythritol is not the only sweetener in the ingredients. As you can see, erythritol is pretty high up on the list, but then at the very bottom you also see monk fruit. Right there, monk fruit. So the reason why that matters to me, erythritol, monk fruit. The reason why that matters to me is because for me and Dax as well, we're really sensitive to erythritol, meaning I can detect the slightest amount of erythritol in a recipe, and for me, I just don't like it. I don't like the cooling effect that happens when you eat something that's like heavy with erythritol. So I am excited to know that this brownie mix includes another sweetener, and what I've learned is that when there is another sweetener in the recipe, that it kind of cancels out that erythritol taste, that cooling effect taste. So I'm hoping that this is true, that concept is true in this brownie. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this for Dax. This is gonna be his choice of snack for the week. Okay, here we go. All right, so I have my brownie mix, 2 eggs, and I have half a cup of butter, melted butter, and I also put my 1/4 cup of water just all in this little measuring cup here. So I'm just gonna give everything a mix. And I am using my phone today because I'm still having issues with my camera. So I can't record this part for you because I am holding it I need both hands. Okay. All right, guys, here is a close up of the brownie mix. You can see that erythritol or monk fruit. I don't know, I don't typically use monk fruit, so I'm not sure if those little crystals are monk fruit or if that's erythritol. Erythritol is usually like powdery looking, so I'm assuming that's the monk fruit, but here's how it's looking. It smells really good. All right, let's get the other ingredients in there. All right, I've added my eggs, my butter, and my water. Now you can use a nut milk for this recipe, but I didn't have any on me. I would also probably have used heavy whipping cream, but I didn't have that on me as well, so I just used water. And let me show you the recipe really quick so you guys can see, follow along. So that is the recipe here. There is a paleo prep and a recommended prep. I've pretty much used a mixture of both. All right, guys, got it in my 8x8 pan, lined it with parchment paper. I am warming up the keto butter so I can drizzle it on there. I also found some Chalk Zero milk chocolate chips. These have been in the fridge for quite some time, and it says it expired. What is this? August 08/03/2021. So it expired in August is what I'm thinking, but it looks good. I just poured some out on my hand and it looks good, so I'm gonna sprinkle some on there for some pizzazz. All right, here we go. Got my chopstick. I'm going to swirl this peanut butter around a little bit. So it looks like I should have mixed it a little bit more. As you can see, the liquid didn't really mix well with the chunky part of the peanut butter, so we'll see how this goes. But I'm just gonna give everything a good swirl so Dax will have some big chunks of peanut butter and some I guess, little thinner areas. So. Just spread that out there. Okay. All right, there it is. See you in 30 minutes. Okay, guys, I literally rushed down here because I thought I forgot the brownies. So I was upstairs getting ready. We're about to go run some errands. And right when I remembered the brownies, the timer had like 50 seconds. So I just ran downstairs. But okay, this is what it's looking like. Let's see. Yeah, all right, that's done. It says bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until top springs back when touched. So yeah, it springs back. All right, just gonna let this cool and then we will cut it. Let's see how many servings is in this. So let's see, 42 servings per container. Okay, so 42 divided by 3. Let's see. Does it tell me anywhere? It doesn't. All right, I gotta do some math. I can't figure that out in my head. All right, guys, so I've got it on my chopping board. I'm going to cut this into 14 pieces. Here we go. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished product. It's definitely at room temperature now. You can see the peanut butter and the extra chocolate chips that I added into it. Now, babe, 2 pieces is 1 serving. Okay, and let me see. I forget the macros. One second. Okay, so 1 serving is 2 pieces. The brownie is 2 net carbs per serving. I added 1 envelope of the nut butter, which is 5 minus 3, 2 grams of carb per pouch. And well, you know, go figure, there's 14 pieces, so that's like barely, you're barely even gonna get it in, you know, 1 serving. So let's just call this what, 2.5
sounds good.
Carbs per serving, and then chocolate chips, but I don't think the chocolate chips has any thing. Okay, so Dax is gonna do a taste test here. What do you think?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's really good.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay, so compare it. So the last time we did a brownie review, we did Birch Benders. Which one?
This is better.
Really?
And it's thick.
What's the difference?
Just tastes like a brownie, regular brownie.
Oh yeah? Is it like decadent kind, or because the Birch Benders I felt was a little light and kind of, it wasn't decadent.
Well, this is definitely heavy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, guys, I checked the Chopped Zero and it's 1 net carb per serving, and I used 1 serving, maybe 2 servings. So like, again, it's not gonna really matter because I only used 1 serving and you're talking about 14 pieces. So, okay, let me get a piece with peanut butter and chocolate. I like the edge too, though. Okay, here we go. Best of both worlds. Kind of middle piece and end. Okay, here we go. Because I didn't like the Birch Benders one. Okay, this one is definitely better. It doesn't have too much of an erythritol taste. Yeah, the erythritol is not like that strong. And if you follow me on social, on Instagram or whatever my social medias or YouTube, you know that I don't like erythritol. So this is actually pretty good. I don't know if I eat it every day. So I kind of like my yogurt more, but this is pretty good. Actually, it's decadent. It's thick. The erythritol is not strong. I like it.
All we need now is some keto
Good job.
chocolate fudge on top of it.
Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. As always, take care and aloha.